is definitely made himself at home. Hungry, Fedor? I'm just going to take a little bit of turkey. I'm going to go eat, Mommy.
He's making a dog sandwich.
Oh, you're going to take the food outside? I think Ava's jealous.
Go have your sandwich. Hey,